Hey there, this is your coach Amanda Kajik coming in with another quick tip on how you can go from boss to CEO and create that life and that business that you can be confident and obsessed with. Today's quick tip is about life in general. Now, more than ever, we are just working our behinds off to stay ahead and to provide for our families and to find the time to keep up with our business and to balance everything, right? It probably feels like you might be a little bit overworked and underappreciated, but I'm here to say you're doing amazing. And I'm going to give you a little peek behind the scenes and let you know that it's not only you that's struggling right now. So today, what I have done is I wanted to focus on getting a few little things done. So I took my kids outside, I played with them and tired them out, brought them inside, gave them a little snack, and wanted to do some work. I realized that if I would take the time to clean my entire house, the toys that they have left laying around, and to do all those things first, I would probably get sidetracked and not get the videos and the work done that I needed. So this is a tip for you. Just let it flow. Just be you and go with it. No one needs to know what's going on behind the scenes. If your house is a mess, find one little area that's clean and quiet that you can work. Give your kids some snacks. Let them play on their tablets for a little bit. It's not going to make a huge difference and mean that you are a terrible parent. You're doing the best you can, just like all of us. So I'm going to take you and give you a peek right now. I want you to know that you deserve to have that appreciation and to know that you are doing the best you can. I popped them in front of a movie. I gave them a few snacks, and it's allowed me to have half an hour to get done what I needed to do and to share this message with you that you are a good parent, you're a fantastic mom, you're an amazing entrepreneur, and the only way to get ahead is to give yourself some grace and allow yourself that freedom and that flow to be like everyone else and to know that you're not alone. I hope that you got value from this, and I look forward to seeing you on our next quick tip.